Hey guys, this is Amit and today we will learn about VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. So, if you want to get more privacy and security online, VPN can be a great choice. Normally, without VPN, when you browse the web, your computer connects to a website directly and begins downloading the pages for you to read. In it, the ISP assigns the user system a unique IP address that can be used to identify you to the website. This process is simple and direct but has some serious drawbacks. First, no privacy. Network owners and ISP can see everything you do online because they know your IP address and geolocation. Second, no encryption. Anyone can access and read the data between the user computer and the web server. Third, no access of global content. You will not be able to access a site that is banned in the region or country where you reside. Fourth, no anonymity. Your true IP address is visible so that you are identifiable online. Okay, so what is VPN and how it works? A VPN is a private network between the user computer and the rest of the internet. When you use a VPN server, your computer sends all the web traffic to the VPN first. The VPN forwards your request to the target website, downloads the relevant information and then passes it back to you. Your traffic still passes through your ISP, but your ISP can no longer read it or see its final destination. The website you visit can see only the IP address of the VPN server and not the IP address of the user computer. So to understand easily, take it stepwise as you can see in the figure. First, the VPN software on your computer encrypts your data traffic and sends it via your ISP to the VPN server through a secure connection. Next, the encrypted data from your computer is decrypted by the VPN server. Then, the VPN server will send your data onto the internet and receive a reply, which is meant for you, the user. Then, the traffic is then encrypted again by the VPN server and is sent back to you. Last, the VPN software on your device will decrypt the data so you can actually understand and use it. For example, I am living in India and want to browse a website hosted in Germany, but I do not want that anyone tracks me. For this, I can connect to a VPN service provider that has a VPN server in France and then browse the website. Okay, advantages of VPN. First, more privacy. You can visit any website and no one can. It means your ISP, government bodies and also hackers see what you are doing online. Second, more security. VPN connections are super secure. The network is hack proof and all of your internet activity is encrypted. It means coded and unreadable in transit. Third, access global content. Some content is only available in certain regions. VPN changes your virtual location so you can see it anywhere. Bypass local censorship. Some government block popular websites and apps. VPN unblocks them by changing your virtual location. Fifth, more anonymity. Your true IP address is hidden. You are unidentifiable online because you are constantly using a different IP address, never your own. No one will know who you are or where you live. When should I use a VPN? While on public Wi-Fi, while shopping, while traveling. So let's take one by one. Connecting to public Wi-Fi hotspots like those in cafes, airports and parks could leave your private information vulnerable. Using a VPN on your devices keep you safe with strong encryption. Second, some online stores show different prices to different people in different countries. With a VPN, you can find the best deals in the world no matter where you are shopping from. Last, a VPN lets you use the internet as if you were still in your home country no matter how far you travel. Thanks.